What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. What we're going to be doing today, in my last video talking about getting me a truck. Well, I kind of changed my mind about that. I decided that I was going to get a new...
Hey girl, so finish this
new
party.
car instead of a new truck. So, I got a hold of somebody.
Oh, I miss him so much,
and
chica.
I found a Miata. It's all customized how I
but
want
she
it and
looks sick.
everything. So I figured I'd go buy that. So I went and rented this tow truck right here. It's a rental. It says it somewhere. Yeah, rental right there. So let's go ahead and get this just right up the street. I'm gonna go get this when we get there. Take a little bit longer.
Hey, Mr. Training Session.
Can't wait till y'all see the car. Very nice. Anyway, I'm gonna get that outside. Almost there. No, this can't open for me, so they won't come with that. I'm just gonna go ahead and buy it. Oh, there it is. There it is. Hey man.
What's up?
So this is the car right here?
Yeah, this is the car that I'm selling.
Okay. How much you want for it?
I don't really have a price, so whatever you're fine with paying for it, I can do it.
Well, what I have 15,000 in the truck. Will that do?
That can work.
Okay. Got a clean title and everything, right?
Yeah, everything has been good on this. They're all like in the glove box.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna go over here in my truck and get my money out.
Okay.
Man, we getting after this Miata. Don't get in, don't get in. Okay. For some reason, when I press B, my pointing finger don't work, so it don't seem that good when I'm trying to hand money to people.
Thank you.
I put that wrong. Okay, I'm gonna pull it out in the street to get it loaded up.
Okay.
Okay, so the title in the glove box and everything.
Yeah.
Okay,
It should be there. If it's not, then it's somewhere in my house.
okay, I'll look for it. Pull this in the street while we're at it. Hey man, I look for the title. I don't see it in the car.
Oh, then it's somewhere in my house. I'll be like right back.
Oh, okay. Start getting this thing loaded up.
Here you
door
go,
closed.
sir. That's how it got put in my house, so there's the title,
Okay,
the
thank you.
papers was.
Okay, I'm gonna try to get this thing loaded up now.
Okay.
I like how my whole body goes through the car. Oh, okay, we got her up there. I'm gonna get this thing home and test it out.
Okay. You're gonna have fun, man. They're fun to drive.
Well, I hope so. It's nice doing business with you.
Yeah,
Okay, you have a good one.
yeah. You too.
Okay, let's get this thing back home so we can take it for a test drive. Take the door closed over there. Okay. Oh, look at that, the gate's open just fine. Speed, this thing back. Okay. That's it. Okay, I think we got it off there. I think we got it off. So if we got it off, that'll be a good thing. Okay. Let's take this thing down the road real quick. Take it for a quick test drive. 75 miles an hour now, mountain Put it in the 80s on. Oh, okay. And it appears I'm just gonna be ending my video here. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, of course, once again, if you want to.